guys, so welcome to another Tone2 Pro video. In this video I'm going to be talking about the volume knob, because there's a lot of people in the forums especially saying that hey, this volume knob is not intuitive, it's hard to use, it sucks. And hey, you know what? I do agree with you, it's not intuitive and it isn't really nice to use. So well, I mean, it's got to do with the fact that Tone2 Pro is a second gen product and it's our first time doing a volume knob. This is the truth, right? So a lot of time was focused on making it as as smooth as possible, and the tactile feedback, as nice as possible, because it isn't actually a potentiometer. I mean, for those of you who are very astute, you notice this volume knob is actually a rotate push encoder, so it doesn't have the same touch and feel as a potentiometer, right? So although we've spent a lot of time on the hardware, I think the software side, yes, it's still a bit lacking. So in the future, we could roll out a software update that could change how the volume knob functions. But in the meantime, this video is gonna quickly run through the different volume knob modes and how you can better use your Tone2's volume knob, okay? So over here you can see the forum posts that a lot of guys were talking about the volume knob. And so some guy actually posted this guy, what's his name? I can't read that. Blaze? Yep, T-Blaze, right. So he says, well, look at the instruction manual, and he's not wrong. So that's what we created the instruction manual for. So I feel your pain, guys. I feel your pain, because I had to write this instruction manual. Okay, but anyway, just go to page 8 over here and you'll see all the different oh crap, Windows, I hate Windows, come on. Okay, you'll see all the different modes here, right? So I'm gonna put on my headphones. Ooh. So I have Philips, this is my ancient pair of Philips headphones, 32 ohm SHP 2000. They aren't fantastic, but they do seem to work very well with the Tone2 Pro. I don't know why. Okay, anyway, headphones on. I have a bunch of free, unlicensed music from YouTube, so these I can include in the video, and I don't think anyone's gonna chase me. Alright, so Tone2 Pro over here, if this camera is recording, yes it is connected to my PC. So when you first plug in your Tone2 Pro, let's plug it in. When you first plug in your Tone2 Pro, okay, click. You must hear the nice clicking sound. Right, it will start playing automatically because I have a media player open. So if I do a single tap, it stops the music. If I do a single tap again, it starts the music, right? So it's over here, okay? So right now you see that the dial is in turquoise. Turquoise. So if we turn the knob, this is volume mode. The volume goes down to 0. Ooh, no volume. And you can see that there's a little single solitary red light. So that means it's mute, right? And we raise the volume back to a comfortable level. Okay, cool. Alright, so I only have 10 minutes to record this video, so it's 4 minutes now. Let's go a bit faster. So if I double tap on the knob, so you see in the instruction manual, double tap. This is the change track mode. So in change track mode, if you rotate to the right, it's a new track. And if I rotate to the left, rotate to the right, okay, so pretty cool. So previous track, rotate to left. Next track, rotate to the light, right? Okay. And if I double tap again, click, click, that's gain mode. So right now, the green light says we're in high gain, and if we turn it to the left, it's low gain. Well, these headphones are 32 ohm, but I don't know why they need high gain. I have no clue, okay? I'm not the audio engineer, but they're ancient headphones, so maybe something's not too good about the impedance or whatever. So high gain, low gain, high gain, low gain. Okay, so now this one input mode is the one that trips up most people, and I don't like this, okay? Because I personally don't like this because the knob is kind of finicky and sometimes you switch to input mode by mistake. So if we double tap again, click, click. Oh, this is input mode. So now it's in auto. So auto means that wherever the sound is coming from, if you plug in a standard RCA cable over here, this will plug into SpeedIF, right? So SpeedIF would be after I2S, okay? So let's see. So this is auto. This is I2S, so there's no music playing. And this is SpeedIF, right? And the first mode is USB. So obviously because I'm playing from my computer, it's USB, right? But if you're like me and you're klutz and you're whatever, clumsy, just leave it in auto mode. Okay, easy. And finally, the last one is the filter mode. Okay, so we double tap again, we'll get into filter mode. Click, click. Ha. So filter is like audio filters, and to be honest, I can't hear the difference. Maybe because the Tone2 Pro is 121 dB, but my ears are 100 dB. So personally, the filters make no difference to me. Maybe we get an audiophile to review this, and then they'll be like, oh, there's a difference in the filters. I can hear the universe is speaking to me. Ah, whatever. Okay, so let's look at filters. And the most complicated part, so I'm going to show you the colors, right? So we've already gone through input, which is orange and yellow, and mode selection are all these different red lights. So the red lights will appear, so if it's one red light, it's volume. If it's two red lights, it's track change. If three red lights, is gain. There's four red lights, is input. And it's five red lights, which is, it is right now, is filter. Okay, so volume self-explanatory. Gain, we've already seen that on the Sony camera. And input, you've already seen yellow and orange. So now we're at filter, right? So filter is a weird one, where you have this blue light, and the blue light tells you whether you're in linear fast, linear slow, mini fast, mini slow, appetizing, mini fast, and brick wall. I should really find out what they mean, but I have to record this video. Okay, so anyway, rotating the knob changes the filter settings. Yeah, and if you single tap right now, it plays in pauses. Right, so be careful. If you single tap, it plays in pauses. Nothing wrong with the Tone2 Pro. So this just changes the filters, and I honestly can't tell the difference, okay? So now we're back in turquoise. You can see this is the volume mode. I'm just gonna change the track here. Piano. Headphone gain, high gain. Yeah, because these headphones need high gain. Input mode. Oh, no sound. Oh, something's wrong with my Tone2. Auto, guys. Put it back to auto. Filter. I'm just gonna leave it on mode 1 because I can't hear any difference. And back to volume. Whoa. Okay, so it's 9 minutes and my phone's gonna run out of battery. I hope this video helps you adjust the stuff on your settings on your Tone2 using the volume knob. I know it's not intuitive. We might release a software update in the future and make it more intuitive. But until then, it is what it is. Yeah, I sound like Donald Trump, right? Oh shit. Just said that. Okay, anyway, see you in the next video. I hope this video helps you. I'm gonna turn off all the cameras and everything right now. I have like 4 different recording sources and then put it into the computer for editing. Alright, bye! Ooh, this music is pretty cool.